Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today in this video, we're going to talk about making money flipping domains. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, click the subscribe button below to get more videos, to learn how to do more to market your message in less time. And always remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And in today's video, we're going to be focusing on making money flipping domains. Now, this is a way what you can do they like to call it a side hustle, right? So if you were to just do some quick research, for example, the Domain Industry News magazine right here, you can look at some of these domains that have sold, right? Year to date, top 100 sales charts. Now these obviously voice.com, california.com, rx.com, nursing.com, these were registered a long time ago. But the thing about it is even though they were registered a long time ago, you can still see the sales that they're making. I mean, I'm not going to say you're going to make $30 million off of a domain that you're going to try to flip. Not impossible, but like I said, I'm not here to tell you that. I'm just here to show you what people are doing with domains and domain flipping. So this is one site here, DN Journal. You can see the stats there. You can go over to Flippa where you can see how websites are flipped. Now some of these are not just flipping the domains, but these are actual websites that are selling. So they've actually purchased a domain, populated a website, built it out, got some traffic, possibly even the website is making some money. But you can see here the things that are going on with some of these websites that you look at these names and you think to yourself, classicgame.org, gluten.us, fullmovies.com, $2,000. And you can see the bids going on here. So again, these are just the things that are possible, the amounts of money that are possible once you start purchasing domains and flipping them. Of course, you keep going, you can go over here, websitebroker.com, you can see some more. Again, this is about the domain and the website. Again, these websites probably have traffic going to them, running ads, selling affiliate products or their own products, but they're all for sale, and you can see right here how much those listings are selling for. You can go right here to Name Silo. You can see some references right here on expired domains. Now this is very important inside of the flipping of domains is expired domains. When domains expire, you can go ahead and people will bid on them, or you can purchase them and then you can flip those. So you can see some bids going on right here, and you can see the numbers over at namesilo.com. Okay, now this is justdropped.com, and as you can see right here, this is where you can actually go and you can purchase domains as soon as they've expired. So they've dropped out of the registry and they're available for sale here, and you can see the sale prices here to purchase some of these. So this is available for you to go and you can register for free. You can get this newsletter. You can also come here and you can sort through these by yourself, and you can do your own research. Now what I wanted to show you today, and the thing that allow you to focus and really allow this to be a side hustle where you don't have to spend much time at all. You could even spend, let's say, 30 minutes a day, right? You could get, as soon as you get access to what I'm going to show you here called Name Snagger, which is Gene's private hand-selected valuable domains, and you can see a picture of Gene right here, Pimentel. He's a professional domainer for the last 15 years, and what he does is he has a name, what he calls a Name Snagger list, where he's gone through the top 1% of available domains with the statistical dollar value that he's compiled from his personal list, and he's actually taking that list and he's sharing it when you join his Name Snagger group. And you can see right here the types of domains: brandable domains, local domains, novelty domains. Okay, and this Name Snagger service includes only the names that have matched certain statistical data, and they're only .com. And the advantage is that you're going to receive the Name Snagger list at least 3 times per week directly to your email address. It's going to contain hundreds of pre-screened, highly valuable domain names. So let's just go back real quick to justdrop.com. As you can see, these are all for sale, listed in an order that you would have to go through, and you would have to evaluate these all one by one before you were to actually purchase them. Whereas what Gene is doing is he's putting his list together and he's getting that to you top 1% at at least 3 times per week of hundreds of pre-screened names. And of course, you can see right now, you can get this private name snagger list for $5 a month. And that's what I wanted to show you and talk about you today real quick, was just about the idea and the concept of making money flipping domains. And I wanted to show you inside of Name Snagger and show you that this is a great service that you can get right now for $5 a month. And also inside of the Facebook group, the Name Snagger Facebook group, you'll see right here that this domain sold for $7,250. Of course, inside the group, you'll see case studies like this. You'll see real world scenarios where people are purchasing domains from Gene's Name Snagger list and they're making money like this. Now, not all of them are as big as this, but again, you're looking at long-term growth. You're looking at this being a side hustle, 30 minutes a day, buying those lists, flipping those domains. As you can see, the money is there to be made. You just have to start with the right list, and Gene's Name Snagger is the right list to be looking at. Again, 30 minutes a day, and you could be in the domain flipping business. Now, before you leave, I want to show you one thing. If you pick this up through the link here on the YouTube channel, which will be in the description and pinned in the first comment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my 30-minute niche site standard package, which is a website builder. As you can see right here, this is the interface where you just enter a few key bits of information and you go through the next screen as you go through this niche site builder. So if you were to purchase a domain that you get off the Name Snagger list and you say you want to keep it for yourself, or you want to build out that site and get some traffic and start getting sales and maybe drive the price up, you can take this 30-minute niche site standard builder, and what you can do is you can build a site that looks something like this. This will be the design, the basic idea. Of course, this is a website that I own, Cast Iron Paleo, where I've actually built out the site. I put in a video here, and then I have some buttons, and you can see right here a few headlines, and then I have articles, how to eat like your ancestors, and inside of here I've actually populated it with Amazon links. And if you scroll down, you can see the link to this article that I populated with the website builder. This was all automated with the bonus that you're going to get when you pick up Name Snagger. And as you can see right here, each one of these is linked to another site or another page on the site where you can see each one has a title and more articles, and of course more links to Amazon products that you can use right there, again, to drive traffic to it. If you get a domain from the Name Snagger list that you don't want to flip right away, or you want to build it out as your own because it's just that valuable, it's more valuable to you than it is to flip it. Again, the goal here is to use the Name Snagger list to flip. But again, I wanted to make sure that you have a bonus here that's very valuable for you to build a website out. Of course, you could use that in any niche site that you want to build to test traffic with, and you could also make your websites more valuable. Again, that's check out Name Snagger. Think about it. Leave me a comment down below in the comments section about if you have any experience with name snagging, domain flipping, and what you think about it. And that's it for today. I just want to show you, talk about the concept of flipping domains and the value that there is there, and tell you about Name Snagger and show you the bonus. So go ahead, click the link below, check out the sales page, pick it up, $5 a month. You get your own Name Snagger list, and you'll be on your way into starting domain flipping. All right. Again, Gary Baker, 30minutemarketing.net. I'll talk to you later. Bye.